everyone, welcome to T.Z. Loves Real Newborns Carnival Month on YouTube. I have Mr. Lucas and Miss Amelia surrounded by all the prizes in this game, guys. And this carnival game is the duck pond. And we have 21 ducks up on the board, guys. 1 through 21. Don't go over 21, guys. Pick your number wisely. And we will have 10 empty ducks, 6 small prize ducks, 3 medium prize, and 2 grand prize numbers. Those are the numbers, guys. We left out the large so that we can put 2 grand prize numbers into this duck pond game. And you guys remember running up to the duck pond and picking out a duck, and sometimes it said 0. I hated that, but my dad would always make sure to get me another duck. And we are going to show some of the prizes at the end of the video, guys. But please remember, if you haven't got your 10 virtual tickets, run on over to the original video. It will be down below. Make sure you have requested your 10 virtual carnival tickets, guys. On the original video, you were supposed to leave a comment for your 10 virtual tickets. And the link will be down below. Run on over there if you haven't requested your carnival tickets. And guys, I also want to say before we play this game, if you have not requested your channel card, remember guys, these are going to be related to prizes over the holidays. So if you have not requested, we are getting ready to close this out. So if you want your channel card, please go to the original video. It will be down below. And request and follow the directions though. You have to send an email and get your channel card if you have not done so. You can have the game cards and the channel cards. I want you to have both of them, guys, so remember that. And the third announcement is mystery book number 2, Deb Mark 59, did not claim her prize packet. So Bonnie Morrison, you were the runner-up. I hope you're watching this. You are the runner-up, so you can claim the prize packet. Okay, guys, let's get back to our carnival game, the duck pond. Pick a duck 1 through 21. Be sure not to go over 21. And guys, choose wisely. Good luck to all. And like and subscribe and ring that bell. Guys, this is a wall hanging, a beautiful, beautiful black and white wall hanging. You will just love it. I did extend it out, and it's going to make a beautiful, beautiful wall hanging. Very beautiful.